What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you guys how to purchase the Tronpad coin on Trust Wallet. Okay, so first of all, before you actually purchase the coin, as usual, the first thing to do is to actually come to Google and enter the name of the coin you want to purchase. So let's take, for example, in this case, Tronpad coin. Then you enter coin market cap. So what we're trying to do basically is we're trying to go on coin market cap to actually go and read more about the coin. Okay, so as you can see over here, the first result, just click on the first result and we are on this page. So over here is where you can actually read all the info about the coin. This is where you can find the contract address, the charts, and so many other different things. So when you now scroll down to the bottom over here, this is the list of markets where you can actually purchase Tronpad coin. So as you can see over here, it's available on PancakeSwap, Dodo BSC, and the most popular one here actually is PancakeSwap. So what we need to do is you need to open your Trust Wallet. So if you don't already have Trust Wallet, make sure you get it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. So go ahead and open Trust Wallet. Now you need to go ahead and come over to the browser section over here. Then click on PancakeSwap. So in case you are using it for the first time, you may not find it on the history board. Just scroll down here and you'll find this down here. As you can see, PancakeSwap. Just click on it. Okay, so once you are here, the next thing to do is now come back to the previous page where we were before. As you can see over here, you can actually purchase Tronpad. You can actually purchase Tronpad coin using your BNB balance and your BUSD. So the next thing to do now is to go and send some BNB into your Trust Wallet. So let's go back to the home page. So to do this, I actually recommend you use Binance or Coinbase. Those are the two most popular ones, and I think they are the best one out there. So you need to come here to your BNB, to the BNB section of your Trust Wallet, your BNB wallet. Just come over here, then click on copy to copy your wallet address. So now I have a link for you in the description below. When you use the link to sign up for Coinbase, you're going to get $10 welcome bonus when you deposit up to $100. So go ahead and use the link. And in case you want to use Binance as well, those are the two I recommend. So you also get 5% welcome bonus, okay, if you use the link available for you in the description below. So once you've opened your Binance or Coinbase account, whichever one. So in this case, I'll just be using Binance as an example because Coinbase is actually pretty easy to use. I'll just come over to Binance over here. Okay, I need to sign in. So I've signed in. So the next thing to do is to actually deposit some money. After creating an account, you need to deposit some money into your Binance wallet. So over here you can see the deposit icon over there. Let me just go back. You can see the deposit icon where you just click on it. So now you need to come to cash, okay, then enter whichever currency you spend in your country. So let's say, for example, you're in the United States, just type in USD, okay. Let's say you're in Australia, that will be AUD, and Canadian, well, let's say you're in Canada, Canadian dollar, CAD. So then after entering the what's it called, the currency, you can go ahead and now follow the deposits, whichever deposit method you want to use, okay. You can actually pay using your credit card. So different payment method is available for different countries. Just go ahead and check out whichever one works for your country. After you deposited some money into your Binance wallet, the next thing now is to go ahead and use the money to purchase some BNB coin, okay. So now you need to come to the market section. Just check the navigation at the bottom over here. You can see the market. Just click on that market. So once you're on markets, the next thing to do is to click on spot. Okay, this navigation at the top over here. Just click on that spot. Now you need to come over here and type in BNB, right? / whichever currency you deposited in. So let's say, for example, you deposited in Australian dollar. What you need to do now is to type BNB / AUD. So let's say USD, same thing, BNB / USDT, right? So that's how it works. So in this case, I'll just be using USD as an example because it's the most popular one out there. So BNB. So once you are here, the next thing to do is now purchase some BNB coin using the amount you deposited earlier. So come to the buy, click the buy button over there, then enter the amount in USD that you want to purchase. So probably the amount you deposited. So let's say for example I deposited $50. I can just come over here and enter 50 USD and then buy BNB. But in this case, I don't have any balance in this account. So once you click the buy BNB, it will automatically purchase the BNB and add it to your BNB wallet. So the next thing you now need to do is to come back to the home section over here. So click on So once you're here, click on that transfer icon over here. You can see that transfer button at the comment section over here. Just click on that transfer button. Then over here is where you can now choose the coin. Just type in BNB, then choose the coin. So after doing that, you can now enter the amount of BNB that you want to send into your Trust Wallet to purchase Tronpad coin. So just enter the amount in there in BNB. So let's say for example, I bought probably 0.0005 of BNB. Then over here, once you click on confirm transfer, it then prompts you to enter the wallet address, and then you can copy the wallet address you copied earlier, okay, from your Trust Wallet. This address, then paste it in and then send in some BNB into your Trust Wallet. So once you've done that, then you've completed 70% of the process. So the remaining process now is pretty easy. Just come to the browser section over here on your Trust Wallet. So I assume you've deposited some BNB right now into your Trust Wallet. Come to the browser section over here, then click on Pancake Swap. Then over here, let's assume you've deposited some money. You should have some balance in here, okay? So right now it has automatically synced your Trust Wallet account with Pancake Swap. So over here you see your BNB balance if you have any. So here is where you can enter the amount in BNB of Tronpad coin you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase 0.005 and I have up to that in my account. So over here where you have to select currency, you need to go back to your browser and then go to the page you went to earlier, the CoinMarketCap page. Then come to the upper section over here. You can see these contracts, Binance Smart, this address over here. Just click on this copy icon right beside it, this copy icon, and that will automatically copy the contract address to your clipboard. Then come back to Trust Wallet, paste the address over here, paste the address, then click on import, right? So after clicking on import, just click I understand, then click on import over here, and then you see the buttons. Like currently I don't have enough BNB balance, that's why I'm not seeing the buy button. So let's assume you have enough BNB balance. Over here you'll be able to like purchase the Tronpad coin, and it's as easy as that. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do make sure you subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to like respond immediately I see your question, and see you in the next video.